Hey yo, what's going on YouTube? This is your boy Everyday Tech, and I'm just dropping a little quick video. I actually had the luxury of having a company reach out to let me try out their cases, and this one is something I've seen on Amazon a lot. It is called Crave. Well, that's the company name is Crave. So disclaimer, they have sent me these 4 cases, but I just want to show them off to you, see how they fit. I have 2 for my Pixel 8 Pro and 2 for my Pixel 8a, and we're going to jump right in. So let's take a peek at this one. This is the first one, dual guard for the Google Pixel 8 Pro in the slate color. Now, I'm going to pretend like I'm unboxing this, but I'm going to be real with you. I already played around with it. So first off, let's take a look at it. It is one of those hard plastic cases. It doesn't feel cheap at all, to be honest with you. Dual layer with nice little design in here. Looks like kind of made for absorbent shock. Now let's take a look at the box, see what it says. Ultra slim design. It's fairly slim. I wouldn't call it ultra slim. It is thinner than most protective cases. Good shock absorption, premium quality. And so far it seems like that might be the case. Now, feels good in hand, and I really love this texture. You may not be able to see it on camera, but it's a little textured, which is really good for grip. So let's pop it in my Pixel 8 Pro. Let's see how this goes. Snaps right in. Can't let y'all see that password, you know. Now, I gotta say, it's a very solid fit. Really good. Don't mind my Pixel going off. I have not used it in a little bit. I switch between this and the 8A a lot, so. All right, so let's look at the fit and finish. Fits very well. No complaints here. Buttons are nice and clicky. And I like that. It's a nice slate gray color. Very neutral, but not bad at all. Let's see the other color they sent me. I think this one might actually be one of my favorites. So, same thing here, but this one is the forest green. And listen, if my camera keeps going in and out of focus, please bear with me. I swear I'm a professional. I swear. Yeah, this is kind of my style here. Really, yeah. Same exact case, but it is a forest green. Now, I have a blue Pixel, but this thankfully covers everything. I don't know, I've always had a thing for forest green. I think it's doing fantastic. Feels solid in there. I would be comfortable dropping this. So let's put that down. And now let's try with my Pixel 8a. This color, you know me, I'm a sucker for red. This looks nice and vibrant. I actually haven't unboxed this one, I don't think. Oh, I must have did. I didn't take the blue out. There we go. So same build, same quality, smaller. Now, I'm going to be honest with you. I am not the case reviewer. If you want that, you got to go to Technically T. He is your boy for any type of case reviews. But I might do more of these. I actually really like this case. I like the grip on it. It feels really good on the smaller phone, just because of the sheer size of the smaller phone. The smaller phone in general feels better, but with this case, it feels protected and not like it's huge now. Once again, clicky buttons, very responsive. Proper size cutouts, because sometimes you get these companies, they can't even do that properly. Let's see that other color. I'm digging that red. I'm digging that red. This is a navy color. Oof. And I know I'm behind on these videos, man. I've been busy, but I got some stuff coming up. Can't wait to show you guys. Now, this is the navy color, which I think goes great with the blue because I do have a bluer camera bar, so you get a nice contrast. And it is a very dark blue. This is actually really nice. This is a nice blue color. The grip, man, the grip feels really good. I'm digging this. I'm trying to think of anything negative about this case, but honestly, it's one of those things where I'm going to try it out to see how long it lasts. But I know people who have used these cases and they love them. Even the camera bump cutout is not too big. No, seriously, if you want solid cases, they're fantastic. They seem to fit very well, and they're not too expensive neither. Let me get the price for you. All right, sorry, so had to do a little quick edit. Now that is actually really good because the prices on these guys, they're under 20 bucks. I've seen them on Amazon for $15.99. Now maybe it's because the new phones are coming out, they're a little cheaper, but yeah, you're not gonna be spending an arm and a leg for these cases. Currently, at the time I'm shooting this video, it's $15.99 for all these colors. So this does not feel like a $15.99 case. This feels like a $30 case, honestly. I feel like they put good quality in it. I'm very glad they sent this to me, honestly, because this is on my list of which cases to get for the Pixel 9 Pro. But until then, yeah, just wanted to show off these cases. I am actually really digging them. I don't know if I want to go with the red for my 8 Pro or red for my 8A, sorry. I'm definitely sticking with that green. Whew. Looks like Christmas, doesn't it? Well, anyway, that's all I want to do. Give you a quick look at these guys. I'm actually going to drop some links in the description. That way you guys can know where to pick them up. They didn't pay me for this. These are my real ideas. They didn't even tell me what to say. They're not even going to get an overview of this. This is just them sending me something to try out because they know I'm a Pixel guy. So currently, 2 thumbs up. These is actually some really good cases. I'm always weary about lower price cases on Amazon. These hit the mark. So once again, thanks for letting me talk about tech. Catch you next time. Peace.